Today on Rust Bucket Garage, we're going to learn how to reset the maintenance required light on a Lexus GX 470. So what we need to do is bring this over to, this is trip A, trip B. We need to bring it to odometer, and then we shut the vehicle off. We hold the odometer button down and turn the ignition to the on position, and then the maintenance light starts flashing, and when it's done flashing, it's been reset. And at this point, you're basically done. You can come over to the to your information screen here. You'll hit the info button, come over here to maintenance, and you can reset your maintenance reminders, engine oil, oil filter. So we can come over here, you can come to distance, and you can type in the 5,000 miles, hit OK, and it'll update here. So that's for the oil change. And we'll go back, and we can come over here to oil filter, hit the distance, set our distance that we want in there. It's reset. It says we have 5,000 miles remaining, and let's see how much we got left on the tire rotation. I still got 4,000 miles, so looks like we're good to go. So that's basically all that you need to do to reset your maintenance light blinking and reset your maintenance reminders in your infotainment center. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure of Rust Bucket Adventures.